solve the equation x minus 5 equals to 8 minus 16x over 4x. Now, in order to do this question, we have to realize that on the right side, the denominator and the numerator has some common factor. So let's factorize that out first. So 8 from the top, 1 minus 2x is left over 4x. So 8 and 4, we can simplify it. Divide by 4, you'll get 2 here. Divide by 4, you'll get 1. Alright, so you have x minus 5 is equals to 2, 1 minus 2x over x. Now, this x here, we will transport it to the other side by a cross multiplication. So x times x minus 5 is equals to 2 minus 4x. Okay, these two, you can bring it back in here. Then this becomes x squared minus 5x plus 4x minus 2. Bring everything to the left side. X squared minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we can use a cross method or the box method, depending on which you are comfortable with. So you have x squared here, we have minus 2 here, we have minus x here. X minus 2 plus 1. We do a cross here, we get plus x. X times negative 2, you get negative 2x. Okay, indeed, this is a fantastic combination. So we have x plus 1, x minus 2 equals to 0. So either x plus 1 is 0 or x minus 2 is 0. Alright, so x is negative 1 or x is 2. These are your final answers for this question.